What if you could build a working web app just by describing it in words? That's exactly what Figma Make lets you do. In this video, let's explore how Figma Make transforms your ideas into interactive apps without a single line of code. What is Figma Make? Figma Make is an innovative AI-powered feature that transforms text prompts into high-quality design mockups instantly. It bridges the gap between ideas and visual execution, enabling designers and non-designers alike to create professional layouts, interfaces, and graphics with simple text descriptions. Text-to-design, instant generation, context-aware, fully editable. Key benefits: accelerated design workflow, overcome creative blocks, accessible to non-designers, maintain design consistency, reduce time to prototype, rapid iteration cycles. This is Figma Make UI and AI chat box. Figma Make is Figma's new AI-powered tool that turns your prompts, like make a login page, into full design mockups, working interactions, and even deployable apps. It's like ChatGPT, but for design and prototyping. Here's how it works. You open the Figma Make chat. Type in what you want, like create a dashboard with 3 charts. The AI builds it instantly. You can tweak styles, add buttons, and even link pages just by asking. Drag and drop of Figma designs into Make. Got an existing design? Drop it into Figma Make, and the AI will turn it into a live, interactive prototype. Startups use it to validate MVPs, designers use it to prototype without developers, and product teams love how fast they can ship internal tools or test ideas. Figma pricing. To use Figma Make, you'll need a full seat. That's Figma's paid editor role. It's currently in beta, but rolling out to more users each week. Figma Make homepage. Zoom on Start Building button. Figma Make is still new, but it's already changing how designers and teams build apps. Want to try it? Visit Figma.com, Make, and let your ideas design themselves.